This video I will show you how to fix a weird problem with the door switch. Now, as you can see over here, if you can, if not, well, fuck GoPro then. So this rubber part is really deteriorated from the weather, from the use, whatever. And once I took the car to a car wash, and when they washed with the jet this area, water got in, and like when I had the door open and I left the lights on, it gave like an always closed signal, like the door was always closed, so the sound thingy didn't come on, like so. Now, unfortunately, you can't really do too much to this piece. Yeah, you can blow air and thinner fluid in, but if that doesn't really solve the problem, and well, it does for the moment, but after that, water will get in again and again. So I bought another one from a salvage yard. Fun fact, from a right-hand drive Ford Focus, so that was like less used. Anyhow, so these things are the same for all four doors, if I'm not mistaken, but yeah. Hopefully this fits, yep. And let me undo this bolt, undo the other one, show you how it's done. Two bolts are off, screws, whatever. There's this small connector, press on it, you pull it out. Don't forget to put this thing back on, because that's like insulation against water, oil, whatever. Let me test it first if it works and they didn't bullshit me. Okay, works perfectly. The paper back. The paper breaks. Great. Thread it in a bit to the so after you tighten everything up, hopefully tighten two screws about the same time. And by the way, you need a T30 torx for this job, and wrench or something, that because these bolts are pretty tight and you need to pull them pretty hard. Maybe 25. I mean 35. So just like this, needs to stay pretty tight and well on there, because when you're slamming the door, you're pretty much hitting this thing first after the switch. Okay, hopefully this will help some of you guys out. You never know when you encounter a weird problem like this on your car. Anyhow, thank you for watching. Leave a comment if you have anything to add, maybe a like. Have a great day, and free out.